This is why we have all the equipment here. We've got a dump truck coming down to get loaded with the backhoe that you can't see. It's down there by it, that yellow arm. Got a bulldozer back behind it, putting in part of the dam. Got the water truck to keep the moisture content up on soils that we're packing in. There you can see the dump going into the dump truck. And then over here, we got the big boy. We got the excavator. As you can see, we're kind of down in here. We've got a very nice, narrow impoundment. Narrow without a lot of surface area, so it'll help us with evapotranspiration. And we've got all of these pieces working together to move material out of where we don't want it into where we do want it in a real smooth, efficient fashion. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of equipment working together here with 4 operators.